guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video I just want to sit down and play with some makeup. I've got some new products that I've used for a while and I absolutely love. Literally just been into my collection, so we've got a lot of makeup to play with today. So guys, jumping straight in, I've done my brows and this one eye. So I wanted to play with greens today because I've got this new Morphe palette and I wanted to play with these greens. Played with a few of these greens as well and it just all come together. The only thing this is missing is like transition shades and stuff like that. This is the look that I've come up with. Took my P. Louise base in Room 1.5. Oh, I'm dropping all my brushes. That's fucking amazing. Got the little clippies in the side of my hair. Spot clean that before I put it in because it's got a bit of green on. Even though this shade is just literally to put in my crease, but still. And I'm just using my t-shirt. I've got a filming t-shirt that I just rub all my colours on. So going into Keen, just going to quickly pop that into my crease. I'm not even going to be like precise with this. Hopefully they turn out the same, because if you are new to my channel, I am not a makeup artist. I took this like flat packing brush and it's a Jessup's 222 all over shader, and I went into Hype first and I took that on the outer corner and really packed that in, and then did like tapping motions to blend as well as a tap. And I'm also taking it in the inner corner because I haven't done a halo eye in forever. Just the process, beginning, it will look messy. The two greens in the Morphe palette and just this brush again, and went into Nuke and Hype together. And the inner corner. And I'm going to take this flat synthetic brush and with some of the P. Louise, it's on the back of my hand and probably all in my hair. Not taking any more product. I'm just going to pat that on the sides so that it blends together. I'm going to practice a bit more with colourful looks and maybe make it into a series if you guys are interested. And I took this green. Now look at this shimmer on its own, guys. And as pretty as that is on its own, I've not played with glitter for a while, so I wanted to put some glitter on it. Of course I did. I'm going to take these lashes. These are from Sosie Jackson and they're in the style Brook. But I'm not doing a wing, I'm just like doing 3/4 of the way in. I feel like the lashes look better when you've got something to them. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. So I use the Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is gorgeous on its own. I'm going to moisturise my face with some of this Clinique Hydrating Jelly. It's been about a week now and I'm obsessed, guys. I love it so much. Do I think it's worth £32? Probably, yeah, actually. While that's doing its thing, I think I'm going to put a little bit of lip balm on, guys. This is just my Carmex lip balm in Cherry because my lips are hella dry. So I'm going to go into two primers today because I want to be a bougie. Oh my god, boozy. So for primer today, guys, I want to use two because I want to be that boozy. Oh my god. So I'm going to use two primers today, guys, because I'm going to be that bougie bitch. Because I got these in my Angora mystery box. If you haven't seen that, I will link that up above and down below. Uses this one. I'm not even going to try and pronounce the name of the brand. I'm really sorry, but yeah. It's an all matte primer, but that's why I'm using the other primer as well today. And it's like a gel formula. That feels really nice on the skin. I have used it off camera, by the way, guys. Just to get a feel for it, really. Drops. So these are vegan-free, cruelty-free, and they're in Rose Pearl on the back of my hand. And it looks like that. I think I'm going to apply this one with a brush. And then I'm just going to put that on the high points where I would put like my highlighter. It's not intense. It's quite subtle. You can see that on my nose. It's very, very subtle. But it looks gorgeous under makeup. For foundation, I'm going to use the Physicians Formula. I'm almost out of this, so that's why I'm using it. I'm going to first buff that out with the Essence brush, and then I'll go in with my sponge. And Physicians Formula is now sold in Boots as well, which is amazing. For concealer and contour, I'm using this duo stick from NYX. I'm not sure if they do this one anymore, because this one I picked up in TK Maxx and I haven't seen it on like the NYX counters or anything. Then we'll use the other end for concealer. I'm leaving the concealer just to settle a little bit. And then I'll use the pointy part and do that on the eyes. My Revolution, this is the coconut powder. I love this powder so much. Powder that all down, make that all nice and bright. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Roxy palette. So this is the Roxy Contour and Highlight palette. Oh, I don't know why I don't use this palette more regularly. I'm taking this smudger brush from Jessop's. It's their 220 brush. Going to go into the two green shades in the Morphe palette and run those across my lower lash line quite tightly. I don't like things too dramatic on the lower lash line. I'm then going to take this really funky liner and then just going to take that smudger brush again and just gently smudge over that. I'm going to use this from Beauty Bay and it's their Living My Best Light in Moonstone. It's a little bit all over the place, like I was doing the bronzer, then I went under the under eyes, but I felt like the under eyes needed some attention. So going back onto the face again, I'm going to go into the Body Collection. This is their blush and it's in Coral. And using my Real Techniques blush brush. I love this brush. So I want to make the lines sharp, so I'm going to go back in with my powder. I'll leave that to bake. And then I'm going to do the same with the eyes. I'm going to be boring and I'm going to do a nude lip because it's all about the eyes. So for lip liner, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty and this is in Trendsetter. The lipstick I'm going in with today is this one from W7. It's Lippy Chick. And it's in the shade Banter. MI Shimmering Lip Sheen. So it's like a lip topper. And it's in this gorgeous nude. So the shade of this is Flow. Oh, it's so, so nice. It's like a lip oil and it gives you that glossy lip, but without any stickiness. So the last step, guys, is to set this all in place so it doesn't budge. And this is phenomenal. I love this. So this is from the Revolution XXX range and it's their Freeze Fix. Your makeup is not going anywhere once you put this on. I swear to God. Literally thank me later when you pick this up because it is gorgeous. So this is today's look, guys. What do you guys think? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you get updated every time I upload a new video, which is every Sunday and every Wednesday here on my channel. I love you guys so, so much. Please be safe with whatever you are doing. Have a fantastic week and I will see you in next video. Love you always, guys. Bye.